10 businesses that will never fail. As my two university graduate students, John and Greg, walked into my office, they were excitedly buzzing. They had just attended a business seminar full of new ideas and aspirations. "Professor, we have been thinking about starting a business, but we are not sure what industry to target," said John. I smiled warmly and gestured for them to take a seat. "Well, that's certainly an exciting prospect. Tell me, what industries have caught your attention?" They said, "We attended a seminar about general business ideas with a shallow failure rate. That includes the healthcare business, vending machines business, real estate business, etc., and it really struck a chord with us. We want to start with any of this." I nodded thoughtfully. All these plans sound appealing to me. But to proceed further, you need one specific idea. Greg said, "As it was a general seminar, we don't have as much information as we need about what to start and how to proceed." So, I started explaining and providing further insights and tips on researching and developing their business ideas. I recommended that they conduct market research to identify gaps in the market, look for potential investors, and network with professionals in the industry. Over the next few weeks, the students delved deeper. They consulted with industry experts, conducted surveys, and pitched their idea to potential investors. Finally, after months of hard work, they launched their business. Their dedication and passion had paid off, and they quickly gained traction in the market. I know students and other people, too, are facing these issues these days. They don't know which business idea to choose, but don't worry because I will tell you all about it. Hello, and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss 10 businesses that will never fail. As an entrepreneur, deciding on the type of business to start can be challenging, and ensuring its durability can add to that difficulty. However, certain industries have proven to be recession-proof and have a long-term outlook. Whether you're interested in starting a new venture or diversifying your existing portfolio, these businesses have a high likelihood of success. From technology to healthcare, we've got you covered. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Number 10. Transportation business. With the emergence of e-commerce, the gig economy, and online platforms, starting a transportation business is easier than ever. We all place our orders online, and the one with quickest delivery is most appreciated. The movement of items from one location to another requires transportation. Whether in the form of Uber, a trucking business, taxi services, or other logistics-related companies, etc. It is certain that transportation will always exist. How business is conducted may change with time. According to IBIS World, in 2019, the transportation and warehousing business market size was $1.3 trillion in the U.S. The global transportation industry is projected to grow at a CAGR of 3.4% by 2027. Number 9. Healthcare business. The global healthcare sector is expanding at the quickest rate ever. It offers services and products to treat patients. These products and services include physicians, hospitals, labs, diagnostic equipment, etc. There is a great chance to create a successful company. According to the U.S. Department of Labor statistics, the healthcare sector is expected to grow by 13% between 2021 and 2031, a greater growth rate than other sectors. It is projected that the global healthcare market will hit the mark of $665.37 billion by 2028, according to verified market research. In 2020, U.S. national healthcare expenditure reached $4.1 trillion, means $12,530 per person. It is estimated to reach $6.2 trillion by 2028 per center for Medicare and medical services. Number 8. Advertising and marketing. Every business wants to reach its potential customers and sell its goods or services. This will be done in digital ads, part of digital marketing, a booming industry now. As businesses always want to market their product, the need for professional marketers and companies will increase to fulfill their goals in this digital space. In the U.S., political ad spending hit $8.5 billion, according to Forbes. In the first quarter of 2021, Facebook generated over $25 billion in advertising, as per Statista. As per Forbes, 35% of all online ad spending comes from video ads. Number 7. Dump truck businesses. The mining sector has the highest overall survival rate, according to Smallbiz Trends. Launching a mining firm will be difficult and expensive. But there is a cunning little backdoor method to profit from the reliability of mining industry businesses. Dump trucks that can remove coal or other materials being taken from the mine will always be in demand. The fantastic thing is that starting a mining enterprise doesn't need spending millions of dollars. A used dump truck can be purchased for as little as $15,000. Dump trucks are also adaptable. You are not restricted to working in the mining industry. Dump truck services are needed by businesses like construction firms, landscapers, home flippers, and even homeowners who need to remove a lot of garbage from their properties. Number 6. Laundromats. Another fantastic industry with a meager failure rate is laundromats. Laundromats have a 95% success rate over 5 years, claims LaundryLux. No matter what else is happening in the economy, this fantastic recession-proof business can bring in money for you. There will always be a necessity for washing and drying garments. A laundromat has the advantage of being primarily run passively. Machines will handle all the labor-intensive washing and drying of the clothes. And your customers do the work of loading and unloading the clothes. You will still need to clean the laundromat, repair the machines as necessary, and collect the money from the machines, the fun part. Even for these tasks, you can pay someone to do them for you. Number 5. Clothing business. Clothes are a basic need of humans. And business around basic needs never fails if implemented correctly with the right people. The clothing and fashion industry is growing, but competition is also rising. You can lead by updating yourself with market trends. In 2020, the global fashion and clothing industry will be worth $1.5 trillion. Globally, the fashion and clothing industry holds 2% of the GDP. Women's clothing was the largest segment of the U.S. fashion and clothing market in 2021. In the United States, the apparel market is projected to grow by 2.82% annually. Number 4. Rental property businesses. The real estate business can be the single biggest contributor to financial success. Unsurprisingly, real estate investing enjoys an enviable 85.3% success rate. Why is real estate such a great business? You can enjoy cash flow each month, your tenants pay down your mortgage for you, and your properties tend to appreciate over the long term. If you combine these features with the fact that you can buy rental properties with a loan and use that leverage to increase your returns even more, you have a powerful wealth generator. Plus, your rental property business can be structured to generate passive income. All you need to do is hire a property manager. But you don't need to. You can manage all your properties by spending 5 to 10 hours monthly. Number 3. Cleaning services. Next, you can get into cleaning services, which will always be in demand. There are many ways that you can go about offering cleaning services. You can focus on home clients or office clients. Office clients require janitorial services, while restaurants and similar establishments require more specific cleaning services. You also have the option to go into more specialized cleaning services like carpet cleaning, dry cleaning, or boat cleaning. Number 2. Wedding planning. Finally, if you love romance, dreams, and fairy tales and have a flair for organizing and decorating, you should consider getting into the wedding planning business. Again, pay close attention to details and familiarize yourself with how to deal with stressed brides-to-be and clueless grooms-to-be. Everyone loves to have the wedding of their dreams, and the wedding industry does not disappoint in the number of clients that planners usually have. As you can see, several business ideas should stand the test of time. If you are considering getting into any of them, learn as much as possible about the industry and the business itself. Number 1. Vending machine routes. Vending machines are one of the best enterprises. You can start a vending business right away by purchasing a machine for a reasonably low cost. Finding a busy area that will bring in revenue is all that's required after you have your vending machine. That's how easy it is. Begin with a single machine, learn how the firm operates, and then gradually grow. Before you know it, you may own a vending machine business that brings in thousands of dollars each month, primarily from passive revenue. What percentage of vending machine businesses is successful? A surprising 90%. In conclusion, these industries are essential to our daily lives, and their demand will only grow. If you're an entrepreneur looking to start a new venture, consider one of these 10 industries for a secure and prosperous future. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.